So we just upgraded our refrigerator recently, and let me tell you, once you get used to having access to ice all the time, it's kind of tough to go back. So when Oraimo wanted to send over their Nugget ice maker to review on the channel, I thought sure, why not? I love ice. And the first thing I noticed was just how much smaller the ice cubes or nuggets are on this machine, sort of like what you would see at some restaurants. It's actually kind of nice. In fact, I think we're actually going to use this instead of the built-in one on our new refrigerator. You'll notice on the back of the machine it's got two drain lines, one for the water and then the other is for the ice bin. One nice thing is you can choose to pour in your filtered water manually to fill it up, or just hook it straight up to your water line using an adapter. Build quality on here is actually pretty nice as well. Sort of stainless steel on the sides and then black on the front. In case you're wondering, it's about 17 inches tall, about 10 inches wide, and then about 17 inches deep. But after testing it for a while, it's super easy to use. Basically, once you fill the water up to the max fill line, or once you connect the water line, you put your ice bin in, hit the power button, and it starts making ice within 15 minutes. It also comes with a little scooper to get your ice out of the bin, and it takes a little bit of time to fill all the way up, probably about 2 hours or so. You can also set a couple timers for when it's going to make the ice. So you could do one in the morning and then have it make some more ice later in the evening. Now, once it's low on water, it's going to show a little raindrop light there on the front. And then once you're done, you can drain the water there at the back. You can just put the water lines down into your sink and let it drain the water line and the leftover water that's down below the ice bin. So whether you're like my wife and you want something like this for your iced coffee, or if you're like me and you just want to use it for water or tea, I would definitely look at a machine like this. I'm really liking the Nugget style ice cubes. I would definitely take a look at this machine that makes the Nugget style ice cubes from Oraimo.